Good evening. My name is Roberto Rios. You could call me Robert if you can't roll your R's. I'm running for the 73rd District Court. And I don't have that little card, but I'll try to answer some of the questions with some of my background. I'm originally from El Paso, Texas. We moved away from El Paso when I was 10 years old and my parents divorced. We came to San Antonio, and I was raised by a single mother who raised 4 kids. I'm a first-generation American, or I should say first-generation born American. We are truly a success story in the sense that my mother worked very hard to make sure that we were all educated, and my brother and I are attorneys. We practice together. My sisters are both college educated as well. And I say that because it's going to be a contrast in the race for my court. And I also say that because it's interesting when you talk about education, especially when I'm talking to the young Democrats. I went to Central Catholic High School here, and a lot of people think Central Catholic, private school, so it comes from money. Now, I actually worked my way through high school. I worked my way in the summers and during school to pay for my tuition. I went to the University of Texas at Austin. I apologize to the Aggies out there, but actually I don't apologize. I'm very proud of Texas. You all should apologize to me. I went to the University of Texas at Austin, and then I went to Tulane Law School in New Orleans. After law school, I came back home. I married a wonderful girl from the South Side, and we have a little girl, and I'm proud to be raising them. I'm not a politician. I never intended to be in this race. I never dreamed to be in this race, and unfortunately, I am in the race. And I say that because I'm in the race where the 73rd District Court was Judge Andy Mireles' court, and unfortunately, he passed away. And an appointment was made by Governor Perry, and after a couple of discussions, I decided that I think I should get in the race for several reasons. One, because I think everyone deserves a choice. Everyone should have a choice between parties. Everyone should have a choice between candidates. I'm also in the race because I think I'm the better candidate. Now, the 73rd District Court, by the time the election comes around, I'm not sure what's going to happen to that court. I understand the background of my opponent, and I don't have a Democratic opponent. I'm talking about my Republican opponent. I don't know what she's going to do with the court. But when Judge Andy Mireles had it, he made it into one of the great courts of San Antonio. The 73rd District Court has a juvenile docket, and that's obviously going to affect the young people of Bexar County. I don't know if it's going to stay that way. And I say that honestly because I just don't know what she's going to do with it. She may disperse it to other courts, or she may keep it. If she keeps it, I think I'm obviously the better person to handle that kind of court. I've been practicing for over 12 years in San Antonio. I'm a trial lawyer, and I'm proud of being a trial lawyer. I've tried cases, at least 40 cases in Bexar County and in South Texas. I've handled all types of cases, from small car accidents to complex medical malpractice cases and product liability cases. I'm rated one of the best lawyers in San Antonio. I'm a member of the San Antonio Trial Lawyers Association. I'm actually the vice president of political affairs for the San Antonio Trial Lawyers Association. I'm a member of the Texas Trial Lawyers Association, and probably proudest of all, I'm a member of the American Board of Trial Advocates. And what that is it's a group of lawyers, both plaintiff and defense, that are voted on by the lawyers to be regarded as the best trial lawyers in America. And I was introduced to that association this year. I'm obviously going to be better qualified, and it's going to be fascinating for you all, the young people, in terms of the race, in my opinion, because it's going to be such a divergent political spectrum when it comes to this race. We're going to have a person who represents only corporate industries and never in trial, and a person like myself who represents the people and small businesses of San Antonio. So I ask for your support. I'm going to need it come November, and thank you very much.